All right, fourth and fifth graders, since you are finished with your research, your first step is writing the introduction for your animal research project. And this is a great presentation already done for us. So I want you just to take a look at this with me. First, you already did the brainstorming. We talked about the appearance. We also looked for the habitat and the diet and interesting facts. You did that research. Make sure you don't forget to cite where you do get the research from. So if you're using National Geographic Kids, you need to write that website down. If you're using one of the Grantwood AEA sites, you also need to write that down. So our results, you are ready to write. The introduction is one of the biggest pieces of your paper. The introduction to a research paper can make or break your grade. Those first few words represent the tone of the paper. It has to attract the reader's attention and fully inform the reader about the topic. In at least 5 sentences, you will introduce your research, theme, and explanation or argument. So in this case, you will be introducing your animal and grabbing the reader's attention. So not only my attention, but your peers in our class. The first thing is the hook. This is probably Miss Jeannie's favorite thing to do in any type of writing, is that hook, because it really brings the reader in to your piece of work and wants them to continue reading. The hook could be a surprising fact. It could be a question to spark curiosity about your animal, or it could be an interesting story based on an experience that you may have had with an animal. So now it's your turn. On your piece of lined paper or on a Google Doc, write down at least 3 ways that you could start your paper, thinking about how to really hook the reader in. Here are those 3 ways again. Your job is to come up with 3 ways to hook the reader.